We'll discuss about the sample size calculation. In medical research, determining the appropriate sample size is a critical step in study. A study with too few participants may fail to detect the real effect, while one with too many participants may waste resources and expose more subjects than necessary. When to use sample size n and power beta. Sample size. Before you start a study, you need to calculate sample size. After conducting a study, you need to calculate the power for a given sample size. Why to calculate sample size? Most important, sample size calculation is an art. It is more appropriate for studies involving hypothesis testing to show that under certain conditions the hypothesis test has a good chance of showing a desired difference if it exists. To show the IRB committee and funding agency that the study has a reasonable chance of obtaining a conclusive results. To calculate the necessary sources, human monetary time will be minimized and well utilized. Why do we calculate sample size? Sample size reduce expenses and time by allowing researchers to estimate information about a whole population without having to survey each member of the population. If you don't have a significant results, then collect some more data and analyze. If you do obtain a statistical significant result, stop the study. Will your uncalculated sample size be able to report the significance of the objectives and study outcome? Here are three ways to calculate the sample size: by using formulas, manual calculation, by using sample size tables available on internet, and by using different softwares like OpenAP and QueryPass, etc. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.